My friend, everyone wants success. Everyone dreams of a better life, more peace, more money, more happiness. But very few people are willing to work for it. Many people pray to God saying, "Lord, bless me with success." But they never move their hands. They never move their feet. They wait and wait and wait, and then they say, maybe it's not God's will. But the truth is, God never blesses laziness. The Bible says lazy hands make a man poor, but diligent hands bring wealth. Even God expects effort from us. He gives us dreams, but He wants us to chase them with faith and discipline. Look at the great men of the Bible. Noah built the ark with his hands for many years before the flood came. David trained as a shepherd before becoming a king. Joseph worked faithfully even in prison before reaching the palace. They didn't wait for miracles, they worked for their blessings. God never said, "Sit and I'll do everything." He said, "I will bless the work of your hands." That means if your hands are empty, if your efforts are missing, there's nothing for God to bless. So if you truly want success, you must wake up and move. Stop blaming others. Stop saying maybe tomorrow. Stop scrolling through other people's lives wishing yours was different. Because success doesn't come by wishing, it comes by working. Even prayer without effort is empty. Faith is powerful, but faith without action is dead. If you want a better future, start with a better habit today. Wake up early, give your best in everything you do, even the small things. And when you get tired, pray for strength, not escape. God sees your effort. He sees the nights you cry, the times you keep going even when nobody supports you. And He will reward your hard work in His perfect time. So don't be lazy. Don't give up. Don't expect success to fall from heaven, because God has already given you what you need: your hands, your mind, and your purpose. Remember this: God opens doors for those who keep knocking. He blesses those who keep moving forward in faith. So, today, get up, start working, keep believing. Because success isn't a gift, it's a reward for those who honor God through their effort. May God bless your hands, your dreams, and your journey ahead. Stay strong, stay faithful, stay blessed.